Have you ever looked at a number with like a million zeros and just thought, there has to be a better way to write this? Well, you're in luck. There is, and it's called powers of 10. It's a super powerful concept in math and science, and we're going to master it together right now.
So, here's our game plan. We'll start with our goals, then we'll get into the 3 different ways you'll see these numbers written. After that, the really cool part. We're going to find a pattern that makes this whole thing click. We'll call it the exponent zero rule. And finally, you'll get a chance to show off your new skills. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, our learning objectives. Let's be really clear about what you'll be able to do by the end of this. Okay, so by the time we're done, you'll know the 3 key ways to write powers of 10. You'll see the super simple connection between that little number up top, the exponent, and the final number, and you'll be able to switch between them no problem. This is the exact skills scientists use so they don't have to write a number that stretches across the entire page. Moving on to Section 2. To really get powers of 10, we've got to know the 3 different forms they come in. Think of it like this. They all mean the exact same thing, they just look a little different. It's like saying hello, hola, and bonjour. Same idea, different package. First up, we've got exponential form. This is basically the ultimate shorthand. It's the cleanest, most compact way to write a massive number, using our base, which is 10, and a little number up in the corner called an exponent.
Next is expanded form. Now, this one does the total opposite. It shows you all the work. It kind of peels back the curtain so you can see exactly what's happening behind the scenes, just how many tens are being multiplied together.
And finally, standard form. You already know this one. It's just the plain old number, the final result, the way we're used to seeing it every single day. Simple as that.
And now for Section 3. This is where the magic really happens, you know? Math is just full of patterns, and the one for powers of 10 is awesome because it's so simple. So let's look at a few examples and see if you can spot the secret yourself. Okay, look closely here. For 10 squared, the exponent is 2. In the next column, you see 2 tens being multiplied, and in the last column, how many zeros? 2. Let's jump down to 10 to the power of 4. Exponent is 4. 4 tens are multiplied, and the final number has, yep, you got it, 4 zeros. Are you seeing the pattern?
You saw it, right? It's pretty obvious once you look for it. So let's make it official and give this pattern a name. This is the secret key to the whole thing. We'll call it the exponent zero rule. And this quote just nails it. The exponent is the boss. It tells you everything you need to know. It tells you how many tens you're multiplying, and it tells you exactly how many zeros to stick on the end of your final number. It's the one piece of information that connects all 3 forms. So that gives us this super easy 3-step method to go straight from that compact exponential form to the final answer. Step 1, just look at the exponent. Step 2, write down a 1, and step 3, add that many zeros after the 1. That's it. Seriously, that's the whole trick. Okay, on to our final section, Section 5. You've seen the 3 forms, and you know the secret of the exponent zero rule. So now it's your turn to take the wheel. Let's try one out. Let's go big. What is 10 to the power of 9 written in standard form? Just use that 3-step process we talked about. No need to write out all the tens, just go right for the final answer. Take a second and think about it. And that's it, 1 billion. A 1 followed by 9 zeros. If that's what you got, you absolutely nailed it. Great job. See how simple that was? That little exponent, the 9, was your only instruction. Write a 1, add 9 zeros, boom, done. Can you imagine how much quicker that is than actually multiplying 10 by itself 9 times? That's the beauty of this rule. So, to wrap everything up, let's think bigger. This isn't just some neat math trick, right? Scientists use powers of 10 all the time to talk about huge things, like the distance to a star, or teeny tiny things, like the size of a cell. So think about it. How could this skill help you the next time you're in science class, talking about the distance to the sun? It's a really powerful tool, and now you know how to use it. Thanks for tuning in.